Once again, welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 11th of January. And first of all, national news. PM to flag off Vande Bharat Express train from Sikandrabad to Vishakhapatnam on January 19. Oscars 2023, Kantara Vikrant Rona entered list of 301 films eligible for Academy Awards. Go First plane takes off without taking 55 passengers at Bengaluru airport. DGCA issues show cause notice. DAC approved three acquisition proposals of Indian Army, Navy worth rupees 4,276 crore. Delhi remained most polluted city in 2022 NCAP tracker. Very shocking. Delhi High Court expressed shock at land records missing from sub-registrar's office. Delhi sees third worst cold spell from January 3 to 9 in 23 years. Weather Office devise mechanisms to allow students to pursue two academic programs simultaneously, UGC to universities. New PLI scheme for IT hardware, Union Minister of State for Electronics and IT Rajiv Chandrasekhar. Bombay High Court refused to defer JEE Main 2023, delaying exam will have cascading effect. Locals in tears as they leave homes in Uttarakhand sinking Joshimath. Center to set up microseismic observation systems at Joshimath, Earth Sciences Minister. Now international news. Iran's executions of protesters, state-sanctioned killing. UN. China COVID cases not expected to significantly impact Europe. WHO. Russian warship armed with missiles conduct drills in Norwegian Sea. Joe Biden, Justin Trudeau in Mexico for Three Amigos Summit. Be careful about China warned Australia over Japan ties. China suspended short-term visas for South Koreans over COVID travel curbs. Amid China threat, Taiwan called on Germany to maintain regional order. 1,500 arrested in Brazil as President Lula condemned acts of terrorism. Brazil rioters destroyed priceless artwork in government buildings. Historic UK rocket launch failed to reach orbit. Mexico President urged Joe Biden to end US disdain for Latin America. US announced $100 million for Pakistan's flood recovery reconstruction. Zelensky said Ukraine resisting tougher assaults and key is turned down. Now some sports news. Hopefully we can finish on top. India goalkeeper PR Srijesh ahead of Hockey World Cup. Saina Nehwal, Kidambi Shrikant made first round exits from Malaysia Open. Australian club got record USD 380,000 fine for violent pitch invasion. France captain Hugo Lloris retired from international football. Wales boss want Gareth Bale to stay involved in international setup. India vs Sri Lanka, Umran Malik clocked 156 km per hour in first ODI batters, record as India's fastest bowler. Prithvi Shaw slammed career best unbeaten 240 in Ranji Trophy match versus Assam. News from business. Sensex falls 243 points in early trade, dragged down by IT banking stocks. Rupee gained 18 paise to 82.17 per US dollar as crude prices ease. IT services firm TCS reported 11% rise in net profit in December quarter. Remittances from overseas Indians increased by 12% to USD 100 billion in 2022, Sitaraman. MSTC to conduct auction of 132 coal blocks this month suggested bidders read all notifications. India exported 16.92 lakh tons of sugar till January 4 of 2022 to 23 over 59k tons to China. Government extended RBI Deputy Governor Patra's tenure by 1 year. News from Science and Technology. Ozone layer is slowly recovering, expected to be healed completely in decades, UN report. Indian American succeeded another Indian American as NASA chief technologist. Science-packed SpaceX Dragon cargo craft undocks from International Space Station. And that's all in news. Thank you.